Now I will show you one more use of this method index of. Earlier we used index of to search the position of a character. The same method can be used to search the position of a smaller string into a larger string. If we want to find the position of a word, for example, say object. Okay, in this string, Java is an object oriented programming language. In this string, if I want to search the position of the word object, I can use the same method index of. But if I want to search the position of a word, instead of the character, I need to pass the whole word as a search string. And when I use a string as a parameter, that has to be within double quotes. Let me explain. Let me show you by writing a small program. You will understand. So let us define a integer variable I, and that I equal to string1 dot index of. See, I am using the same method index of, but see here carefully. I am searching for the character object, and since it has more than one character, it has to be within double quotes. Java always expect you to use double quotes for string. You have to, otherwise it will be a syntax error. So now I will hold the value of the position where the string object is appearing in this whole sentence. That is, Java is an object oriented programming language. And when I run this program, I see the word object is at position 11, because now let us count it, and you see it is really at position 11. So I can use the index of method to search the position of a word. Now suppose this same I change the sentence little bit, so that this word object appears twice in the sentence. So I change the sentence a little bit. Java is an object oriented programming language, and Smalltalk is also an object oriented programming language. Okay, Java is an object. Actually now this word object is appearing here, and again, yeah, it is Smalltalk. I did a mistake in typing. Smalltalk is also an object oriented programming language. Smalltalk is single word. I think it is being single word. So Smalltalk is also an object oriented programming language, which is true. Now you see in this sentence the word object is appearing twice. So how do I know? How do I find the second occurrence of the word object? Exactly as I did for the character. Use the same method index of. As a first parameter, pass the string which you are trying to search, and as the second parameter, provide the position from where you want to search. Now the first occurrence of object is in the variable called I, which is 11. So as the second parameter, I provide I plus 1. That means start searching from the position 12. I is 11, so I plus 1 is 12. You got it? So it is same as searching the subsequent position of a character, exactly same. So in the second parameter, you provide from which position you want to search. The second occurrence of the word object is at, now I try to print the value of I. Now it will have a different value, not 11, because now it has already found the second occurrence of the word object. And when I run this program, the first position, and which was at 11, so I initialized it by added one more, so I started searching from the 12th position. So now I should have the value for the second occurrence of the word object, which is 73, which is correct. If you count it, it will be at 73 only. So now you see that I can use the same method to find all the subsequent positions. I want to show you one more thing before I conclude this chapter. I can also use the method last index of, the way I used for character. So if I want to find out where is the last position of the word object. Of course it will be 73 because the object is appearing only twice, but I can straightway use the method last index of. Advantage is that I need to pass only one parameter and it shows 73. So now you got it. The index of method can be used to search a character, to search a string. To find the first occurrence, pass only one parameter. To find the subsequent occurrence, use the second parameter where you provide the position from where you want to search it. To find the last occurrence, use the last index of with only one parameter, that should be either character or the string in double quotes.